So right now we're cleaning this computer. So I cleaned here and here and here. Remember, do not touch these parts and these parts. They're electronical parts. This has a lot of dust. Look at all of this. Look, a lot of dust. So, also some slime fell through here. Oh, putty, not slime. So, only clean these parts. You can clean the fan too. It's hard to clean with one hand. Okay. You can see the dust. Let me focus.
Yeah. No, thank you.
It's not gonna focus? Okay. So, just clean. So, you hold the fan here and you clean it like this. Or you can clean it like this. And then it'll collect dust. Why does this not want to focus? Okay. So that's how you clean. Okay, it's a bit cleaner now. Boop. Down. I guess the other one. Okay, I guess it's a bit more cleaner now. This is the most I can do. Boom. So yeah, that's how you clean a Windows 7 Pro. Professional. Yeah. Oh, zooming is weird. This is the RAM. It's a lot of RAMs. 64 to be exact. It's a lot of RAMs. And yeah. You can see the inner workings. Wow. Able. Okay. So now we got this thingy. So you can just brush it. So you can just start brushing these. You don't put water, remember. Never brush in water. Okay. So now it's all clean. Oh, that's a nice shot. Boom. That's how you clean it. Okay. Also, hi Kitty. Kitty, say hi. Kitty. Kitty. Okay, she doesn't want to say. Hello. She's helping me clean. Yes. It's almost done. Oh, yeah. Okay. Bye. And one more thing. Please join my group. It's called Team Cobra. If you type it in here, you won't find it. Just go to my account, Mr_Jellyally, and just join Team Cobra. You'll be there, okay? We have 7 funds. Yeah.